there in the background. If you guys don't know, it's Trendy Girl. Trendy Girl is a thing that makes people stand out. So anyway, as you guys can see today, as the title, I will be doing my nails. Rihanna doesn't want to be a trendy girl, but it's okay because I like to become a trendy girl. See, I got my camera equipment back there.
Why do you have to speak that way?
And can you stop? This is trendy girl. That's how they speak. Anyway, so you guys they don't understand. They're regular people. Let's get their faces. No. See, she's trying to be awake because she's not pretty. She's not pretty. Anyway, guys. Anyway, so I got this gel pink color. If you guys can see. Can you guys see? Can you guys see? See? Anyway, so you get the thing, that thing, you know, like you flick it. Okay, and you put it on your nails. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Look how pretty that looks. So you do it again. And then I want to change the color. So if you want to ever learn how to do nails, you can just click on this video. You change the color. And then you get this. And you do it again. You go like that. See, look at that. Perfect. Better than the people that does it in the nail salons. Oh my god. So then next, I get my other color. And then, Mom, can you please help me? What are you not doing? Look, you see me getting, you know what? I look better than you. I look like, what's that woman's name? What's that famous? I like Kim Kardashian, you know what I'm saying? Look, book me. Alright, so I hope you guys like that video. This is a nice nail tutorial. Like, make sure you get the thumbnail let's get the paint. So yeah, make sure you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry guys, I was late uploading my video because I had to edit it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.